Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Ninjin Shirishiri, pan-fried carrot with scrambled egg. It is originally a popular local dish from Okinawa, but it became more common everywhere in Japan. It's a simple side dish, but it's so tasty. These are the ingredients. We use only carrot, egg, and seasonings in this recipe, but some people add more protein such as canned tuna, corned beef, or spam that are popular in Okinawa. For more information, please visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. Cut carrot into thin matchsticks. Shirishiri means grated in Okinawan dialect. We cut the carrot with a knife here, but it could be grated to make the same kind of shredded shape. Heat the sesame oil in a frying pan at medium-low heat. Add carrot and cook until tender, taking care not to brown too much. It doesn't take too long to cook the carrot as they are cut thinly, just a few minutes. We are going to season it. Add salt, sake, and soy sauce. Stir and cook for a minute. Now we add the egg and gently stir, just like making scrambled eggs. If you like eggs, you can add one more. When egg is set, remove from heat. This is a great side dish for everyday meals and bentos. We love the flavor and it is healthy. You most likely have the ingredients at home, so give this a try soon.
美味しいね。